Hello students. So today we are going to see some of the important topics from the chapter wave optics. So here are some of the important topics from this chapter wave optics. The first topic which is important is the topic wavefront. What is wavefront? What is primary wavefront? What is secondary wavefront? And what is secondary wavelet? You'll have to see the definition. Along with that you can also study Kirchhoff's law from this topic. The next topic which is important from this chapter is Huygens principle. Huygens principle. What is Huygens principle? Its definition along with the assumptions. Under Huygens principle you'll have to study this topic, which is the derivation of Snell's law using Huygens principle. You'll have to derive the Snell's law, which is the second law of refraction, using Huygens principle. You'll have to use Huygens principle to derive Snell's law. You will have to use Huygens principle to derive what? We'll have to derive Snell's law using Huygens principle. The next topic is interference of light. The next topic which is important under this chapter is interference of light. What is interference of light? Okay, what is interference of light? Its definition you'll have to study. The next, under this topic, which is a very important one, is Young's double slit experiment. You'll have to study Young's double slit experiment under this topic. Interference, which is a very important topic. So under Young's double slit experiment you will have constructive interference and destructive interference. That is a part of Young's double slit experiment you'll have to see. This comes under interference of light. So before that you'll have to know what is interference of light. So the next topic which is important from this chapter wave optics is polarization. What is polarization? What is polarizer? What is analyzer? Mellor's law comes under this topic, polarization. You'll have to study those topics. The next topic which is important from this chapter wave optics is diffraction. Okay, what is diffraction? That is, you'll have to study Fraunhofer diffraction. What is Fraunhofer diffraction? Intensity. Okay, the condition for first maximum, condition for first minimum. These are the important topics from the topic diffraction. That is intensity. What is the intensity? What is Fraunhofer diffraction? What is what is the condition for first maximum? What is the condition for second maximum and central maximum? So these are the important topic from the chapter from the topic diffraction, which is under the chapter wave optics. So these are the important topics from the chapter wave optics, which comes under the topic optics, which comes under the chapter topics as a whole. Previously we have seen the chapter ray optics. This is the chapter wave optics. Both of them come under the topic. Both of them come under the chapter wave optics given in your syllabus. So thank you students.